TurboTax, you can calculate your refund for free, and they're also giving out advances, guys. So guys, you guys want to stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, of course you guys got to smash that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe, because I am giving you guys the latest and the greatest information to make you great. I'm here to make you great. And today from TurboTax, the early bird pricing ends February 28th. So you guys want to get on this right now. All right, file now and save up to $30. Now, if you guys actually use the link in the description, it says TurboTax. They're going to give you $25 just for using their services, and their services are free. Yes, you heard it right, are free. It's a win-win situation. You get $25. Your taxes are filed. You don't have to worry about the IRS coming back after you. Your you know what I mean, all that bad stuff. Anyways, let's calculate your refund for free. I'll put a link in the description if you guys actually want to do this. A lot of people have not received their tax returns, and then I was getting about 80% not received, about 20% people received them. I talked about that in the other video. If you had Chime, people were actually receiving their stimulus checks already. Yes, already. If you have Chime. And let's get right to this. To get an accurate estimate and save your info for later with TurboTax, or choose our TaxCaster tax calculator for a quick calculation. Yes, start here in TurboTax. But first, let's go over this real quick. I'm gonna give you guys some basic, simple information. As I mentioned, I will put the link in the description. You guys can actually sign up for TurboTax there and read all of these questions and do this for yourselves. Now, the TaxCaster calculator, let's estimate your tax refund this year. We'll calculate how big of a refund you can expect or how much you'll owe. All you have to do is get started. I do want to remind you guys that with TurboTax, it does include a free expert review. So even if you do your taxes with TurboTax and you're like, something's wrong, something's not right, there's an expert that can actually help you finish any incompletes on your taxes. They will go over it with you as well, but you have to download it using the link, and you get $25. So it's a win-win. Just thank me, because I just got you $25 an hour. Just thank me, all right? Just thank me. Nah. But yeah, it's $0 to file. Of course, this is the free edition. With that link, you're guaranteed $0 for federal, $0 state, $0 to file for simple tax returns only. Guys, it's a win-win situation here. Hope everybody has filed. If you haven't already, you guys want to get on that. I talked about it before. If you guys are thinking about filing, you guys will actually be entered into win $2,020 just for filing your taxes. But you have to link up that direct deposit from TurboTax or anywhere you filed your taxes, but you have to link it up through Chime. I'll put that link in the description as well, what Chime is. You get a debit and credit card. So a spending account, saving account, credit builder account. Easy way to build up your credit. You'll get paid 3 to 4 days earlier. You get your tax returns up to a week earlier. It's actually leaked. My members have been receiving their tax return. Go ahead and do it. Download it. It's very, very simple, very easy to use. Now, TurboTax is 4.8 out of 5 stars. So they're right about there. If you guys want to read that, go ahead and let's get right into this TaxCaster calculator. Income tax calculator 2020, and basically it's going to ask you for some simple questions. If you guys want to, you guys don't have to read this, but I'm going to keep this here. So if you guys want to screenshot this and actually zoom in and read this here for a second, pause the video, you guys can read it. All the information is right there. I'm going to kind of breeze through this just to give you guys the quickest way of viewing this. So if you guys want to pause the video, go ahead. First question, what's your marital status? So single, married, you guys will choose. If you're single, of course, go to single. If you're married, go to married. Will you be filing jointly? Yes, no. Answer to your likely. What was your age on December 31st, 2020? How old was I? $110. What were your 2020 taxable wages? Let's just say $100. How much in unemployment benefits did you collect as a result of being unemployed? If you guys receive unemployment, if you haven't, I'm just going to go to 100 with everything. You know, just to get an estimate, guys. Like I said, this is not, I've already done my taxes. This is not a real, me really trying to find an estimate. I'm just putting in these default numbers for you guys. What were your 2020 federal unemployment withholdings? We're going to go with $100. What were your 2020? Let's go with $100. Let's go with $100. What was your spouse's age? She was 100. What were your spouse's 2020 taxable wages? $100. Oh, okay, 188. $100. How much unemployment benefits did your spouse? $100. What were your spouse's 2020 federal $100? What were your spouse's 2020 estimate? $100. So guys, these are the questions they're going to ask you. Basically, a lot of these questions, and this is the best way to actually find an estimate. They're going to go off your personal information. And guys, don't just put 100 in like I did. I was just giving you guys examples of exactly how to do it. Put in your real numbers. You'll come out with a real answer. You know, that's just how it's going to go. And based on the information that I submitted, it already says $100. I mean, $400, and that's just based off $100. So everybody's going to be different. Everybody's situation is different. I really hope everybody can get it situated, get it figured out. Even if you filed already, have you received your taxes yet? Have you received your return yet? Like I said, a lot of people have. A lot of people haven't. I'm just curious to see if you have or you haven't. I'm going to be coming with you guys tomorrow with another video, so you guys want to stay tuned. Also, don't forget, I'm still doing that giveaway. If you go to my channel, you'll see a playlist that says giveaway. Just watch the video and comment, and you're entered in the giveaway. Very, very simple. And in the end of the month, we will be doing that giveaway. So just to verify that, end of the month, we will be doing that giveaway. I appreciate everybody for watching. And of course, if you guys got questions, feel free to drop the comments below. Turbotax watch my videos. We got Chime Bank. We got a lot of other banks that watch my videos. And as you guys know, I'm just going to continue to put in 100. But these are the type of questions they're going to ask. So if you're running about the estimate, these are the type of questions they're going to ask. Select from below that applied to you in 2020. So whatever applied, you know, we're just going to check every last one applied. So whatever applied to you in 2020. Number of dependents, 35 or less. So we got 35 dependents. I wonder what's the most kids that somebody has. Like what are the most kids? Because this saying 35. Now what if somebody had 36 kids? That's a good question. What's the most kids that somebody have? How many children under the age of 17? Let's go 20. Number of full-time students that were younger. Okay, we got 20 of those. And we got 20 of those. So yeah, I'm just putting in some random numbers, but as you guys can see, based on the answers, the estimated federal return shows right there. So if you guys were skeptic about, you know, using Chime, using TurboTax, all these applications, feel free to drop the questions that you have regarding those below. Are you or your spouse or child attending? Yep. 100. Interest payments, 100. Real estate payments, 100. 100. You know, 188. We're just going to keep doing this. Are you eligible to participate in a retirement plan? I am. What do you plan to contribute? So guys, based on that, and as I mentioned, this bar is slowly going up, and they're asking a lot of questions, and I'm really trying to go through this for you guys. That way, you know, you guys can see the variety of questions, how to answer those as well, if you are concerned. Okay, and it says I can actually continue, but as you guys can see, I'm just going to go continue. $12,835. Self-employed for your state taxes. You got your federal. You know, so a lot of good useful information there, guys. So if you guys got questions, as I mentioned, feel free to drop the comments below. TaxCaster calculator. Let's estimate your